Top 5 Restaurant Dining Tips plus Keto. 1. Review the menu in advance. Almost every restaurant's menu is available on. Look up the menu online whenever feasible. 2. Get rid of the temptations. You can help yourself stay in ketosis by. Before you order, many restaurants will bring. Tell your friends you are reserving room for dessert. Request that the bread, rice, or 3. Fast food strategies. There's no need to be a damp blanket if every. Simply specify for it protein style. If they refuse, simply discard the. 4. Beware of the sauce. When it comes to sauces, be cautious. Some, like béarnaise, are extremely. If you didn't have time to go through the menu ahead. 5. Beverages. It's best if you can stick to tea, coffee. Grab your free ebook, The Best and Delicious.